Replacing windows in your Scott home is one of the most valuable upgrades you can make. It improves energy efficiency, enhances curb appeal, and increases property value. However, many homeowners make costly mistakes during the process that reduce the effectiveness of their investment. By knowing what to avoid, you can ensure your window replacement project goes smoothly and delivers long-lasting benefits. Choosing the wrong type of window. A common mistake is selecting windows that don't fit your home's style, climate, or functional needs. For example, homeowners sometimes choose the cheapest option without considering energy ratings, durability, or ventilation. In Scott, where seasonal weather shifts can impact indoor comfort, it's essential to choose energy-efficient windows that suit your lifestyle. Tip: consider how much ventilation you need, whether you prefer easy-to-clean designs, and how the style complements your home's architecture. A professional consultation can help match the right window to your needs. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Many homeowners overlook energy performance labels like U factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. Installing windows without checking these ratings can lead to higher utility bills. In an area like Scott, where summers can get hot, windows that block excess heat while keeping interiors cool are vital. Tip: always look for Energy Star certified windows. They may cost more upfront but save significantly in heating and cooling expenses over time. Attempting DIY installation without experienced window replacement is not a simple do-it-yourself project. Even a small mistake in measurement, sealing, or leveling can cause drafts, water leaks, and long-term structural damage. While DIY can seem like a cost-saving choice, the risks usually outweigh the benefits. Tip: hire licensed and insured window replacement professionals in Scott. Their expertise ensures the job is done right the first time and often comes with warranties that protect your investment. Overlooking proper measurements. Incorrect measurements are one of the most expensive errors homeowners make. Ordering windows that don't fit properly can lead to costly reorders, gaps around the frame, and energy loss. Tip: always double-check measurements or let a professional handle them. Experienced installers know how to measure, accounting for uneven walls, old frames, and settling in older homes. Focusing only on price. Budget matters, but choosing the cheapest option often leads to poor performance and early replacement. Low-cost windows may lack durability, have poor insulation, or come without solid warranties. Over time, this choice costs more than investing in quality from the start. Tip: balance cost with quality. Compare warranties, materials, and long-term energy savings instead of focusing on the lowest upfront price. Forgetting about maintenance needs. Not all windows are equal when it comes to upkeep. Some require regular painting, sealing, or cleaning. Choosing windows without considering long-term maintenance can lead to frustration later. Tip: if you want low-maintenance options, vinyl or fiberglass windows are excellent choices. Wood provides a classic look but needs more care. Neglecting permits and local regulations. Another mistake is ignoring local building codes and permit requirements. Skipping this step can lead to fines, delays, and even forced removal of newly installed windows. Tip: work with a window replacement company familiar with Scott's regulations. They'll handle permits and ensure installations meet all code requirements. Not considering professional warranties. Some homeowners don't realize the importance of warranties until problems arise. Without proper coverage, you could be left paying for repairs out of pocket. Tip: always ask about product warranties and installation guarantees. Reliable contractors back their work with clear protection. Conclusion: window replacement in Scott is a major home improvement that requires careful planning. By avoiding mistakes like ignoring energy ratings, cutting corners on installation, or choosing windows based only on price, you'll protect your investment and enjoy years of comfort and efficiency. The key is to work with experienced professionals, Choose the right windows for your home, and think long-term instead of short-term savings. When done right, your Scott window replacement will not only improve your home's beauty but also provide lasting energy savings and peace of mind.